In this lecture, I will show you finding and identifying feature and values in ArcGIS desktop. Okay, I have the shapefile Oromia zone and Oromia villages. Two shapes files are available. We want to know about the how we can use the identity tool. This one is identify tool. Suppose we want to know about what is the name of this particular place. We want to know the name. You got to go this identify tool. Then you got to click it. It will show in the what is the that is a zone name is Jima, and what is the shape area and shape length, everything it will show you. You will just click it. It will show you. This one is each Harari. Click it. This zone is Bali zone. Okay, like this you got to use the identify tool. Suppose I can use this identify tool in Oromia village. Just click it. It will show in the information. Suppose you got to know about the particular field, you got to copy and you can paste it, and also you can use this different identify tool for any aspect. You can use the identify tool like this. It will show you the information about the particular layers. Okay, let's go to how to use the find tool. Find tool is available here. This one is find tool. Just you go to click it. Suppose I want to know about the name from the Oromia zone shapefile. I want to know about the Bali zone. Okay, here this is a Oromia zone. Here features. Here you go to find it the Bali. Type the Bali. Then you can select the all fields. Then find it. It will show in the Bali zone. Here right click. You can zoom to layer. You can see. Just zoom to means it will show you what is this name is Bali zone. Suppose we want to know about the identify also, you can just click it. Just click it. It will show you the Bali zone, and you can use the pan also. Pan to particular Bali zone, or you can suppose you want to select. It will show in the this boundary of the Bali zone. It will be selected, or you can use the order to my places. This is already ordered into the your place. Okay, this one is all fields. How to find it? Suppose we want to find it RC zone in the particular area. We go to a particular area. Suppose you can see this here. Here go to the clear selected picture. You can see from the table particular RC zone. I want to select the particular RC zone in the Orda area. Just to go to the find tool. Then infill. Infill means particular table zones. From the zones you have to find the RC. RSI. You have to type it, then find it. After the clicking the find, it will show in the RC. Here right click, zoom to particular place. You see this means RC zone. Then if you want to select, you can select it, or unselect, it will automatically unselect in the particular area. Like this, suppose you want to use a pan, you can use the pan. Okay, like this, how we are using the identify and find tool. Suppose we want to make a query in the particular zone. In this Orangya zone, I want to take particularly this west show. I want to select the particular area. Just you close it. You see, this is a west show. Just click it, showing the west show. Okay, here you can open what are the tables. Suppose I want to select the Zinma. Here already selected, then close it. This one is Zinma zone. See Zinma zone, just click it. It will show in the Zinma. Okay, this is from the table we can select the particular selected feature based on the table you can use. Okay, thank you for watching my video.